Hi, I'm Charlotte Lawson, a registered licensed dietitian here in Tampa Bay, Florida. And today I'm going to cover a few things about how to make sure you're continuing a well-balanced, rounded diet, especially if you're trying to do a lower calorie or restricted diet. For instance, 1,200 calories is very significantly low as far as how much we need for just daily requirements and daily functioning. Make sure that you're figuring out appropriately the amount of calories you need to be on. Make sure that you're getting each of the food groups, your grains, your fruits, your vegetables, your dairy products like your milk, cheese, and yogurt, and also your protein or protein substitutes like bean or fish. Again, low-calorie diets can often be almost dangerous, so make sure you're getting the right amount. And if you have any questions, make sure you're consulting a nutrition professional. Here's an easy breakdown about a 1,200 calorie diet. You need about 4 ounces of grains per day, and make sure that half of those grains are whole grains. This is going to give you your fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Also make sure you're getting about 1.5 and 1 cup of your fruits and vegetables. If you're needing to splurge or you're feeling extra hungry, this is a great area to get some extra food. Again, it has that good fiber and packed with vitamins and minerals. Next, your milk. Try to get at least 2 cups out of your dairy group. This is low-fat or skim milk, either liquid milk, yogurt, or low-fat cheeses. And again, 3 ounces of your meat or beans group. Now again, this is meat or a meat alternative, like your beans or cottage cheese, for instance. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein and often found in low-fat varieties. So overall, make sure that you're still getting all of your food groups for a 1,200 calorie diet. Be very careful again with that restricted calorie diet because we need a certain amount just to function, and consult a physician or a registered dietitian to find out how much you actually need. Keep it rounded, add the fiber, and make sure if you need to take a vitamin and mineral supplement to do so accordingly. Make sure you're keeping up on your fluids as well, because often that can help us stay fuller longer. For more information on diets and calorie restriction, check out eathappy.info. I'm Charlotte, and eat happy.